Today we're going to be checking out the AlphaRex fog lights. They are both white and amber. Watch this. So this is the AlphaRex DoubleTap LED fog lights. They have a 6500K white light and a 3000K amber light, and you switch back and forth by toggling your fog lights on and off within 5 seconds. So there's pros and cons of amber and white fog lights. Amber, you'll be able to see further in fog, and white will be brighter. The difference between these fog lights is one will say RH, the other will say LH. The RH will go on the passenger side. The LH will go on the driver's side. That just contains zip ties and some screws. Alright, you're going to need a ratchet with an extension, 10mm socket, plastic trim removal tool, U-shaped trim removal tool, and a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, we're going to remove from the inside wheel well a trim clip and a 10mm bolt. Take your trim removal tool and just pop out the clip. We'll take your plastic trim removal tool and pry that off of the fender there. And just a clip, it'll pop off. And the top part of that fender may come off, but that's okay. You can snap that back in later when we put it together. All right, underneath we'll have a 10mm bolt and a clips. Just go ahead and remove them. And you can see the fog light right there. So there's the screw we need to remove, and down there at the bottom you can see we need to remove that wiring harness. And it's just that one screw. So once you get your screwdriver on there, just unscrew it. And you see there that it just pinned in with those 2 notches there, and just pull it out. Okay, let's inspect this. And you'll see the angular right there on the fog light. So we'll take out a new one, make sure it's pointing in the right direction. And this one will say RH on it. So please take note of that. That's very important. And you can't mess it up. It'll only go in one way. So you see there, it will say RH, and that's for the passenger side. And that screw will go up there on the top right. And essentially just put it back in there, put it into those 2 notches, and then screw it in. So you can see it going into the notches there. Now let's screw this in. We'll want to hand start it first, just to make it a little easier on us. And now we tighten it up. And that's what it looks like. And now all we have to do is put the wiring harness back on. It just snaps in. let's put all this back together. We'll start with 10mm bolt. Put in our clip. Now let's go underneath. Now double check under the carriage, replace all plastic trim pins. It'd just be one. Replace the 10mm bolt underneath here. Repeat the process on the other side. Check this out.